In this video, you will see how to get started with GoFindMe GPS Tracker. It's very easy to use. Power button, USB charge port, LED light, device ID, SOS button, speaker. Press the power button for more than 3 seconds.
Powered on.
Now, GoFindMe is on. Keep Bluetooth open on your phone. Open GoFindMe app. Tap Connect to GoFindMe on the map. And select your device. App connection is completed. Tips. There are 2 ways to check whether you connected to the right device or not. Method 1. Check device ID. Tap here. Make sure the device ID is the same as that on your device. Method 2. Check device light. Tap Setting button. Enter Connection Management. Tap here, and the connected device will shine blue for 3 seconds. Tap here, you can stop the current connection and switch to another device to connect. Normally, GoFindMe devices will pair to each other automatically without extra settings, as long as they share the same group code. To guarantee an encrypted communicating of your group, we suggest you bulk modify the group code and region for all devices in your group. Tap Setting button. Enter bulk setting. Enter group code. Input a new code. Choose the devices you want to bulk modify. Done. The same way to bulk set your region. Tips. If any device are not on the connection list, remember to check its group code is the same as others or not. Enter General Setting. You can see the group code here. If your group code is not the same, please edit again. GoFindMe can track up to 32 members and sync up group activity. From here, you can check the status of all group mates on the list. Device ID, battery, distance, and location. Remember to rename your group mates for easier recognition. Tap Location to check the real-time location of the group mate. You can tap here to show the group mate's trace or hide it. Before you set out, you must download Map in advance. 3 map tabs are available: Default, Satellite, Terrain. Enter Download Map. Tap the magnifier and search your destination. Drag and zoom to select an area. Choose Tap and Accuracy. Then download.